In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone in Outlook Web. If you travel, collaborate across regions, or just want your calendar to reflect the correct local time, adjusting this setting will keep your events accurate and avoid missed meetings. Start by opening Outlook Web in your browser. Once you're in your mailbox, look to the top right corner and click the Settings gear icon. This opens the settings pane on the right side of the screen, where you can quickly access calendar options without leaving your inbox. In the settings pane, go to Calendar, then choose View. This is where Outlook groups the options that control how your calendar looks and behaves, including time zone preferences. It's a good place to remember because many calendar display tweaks live here. Under the Time Zones area, set your primary time zone. Use the drop-down to pick the location or time zone that matches where you are now or where you want your calendar to be anchored. If you see an option to show this in the calendar, check it so the time scale on your calendar clearly reflects that zone. You can also add a short label, which helps when you're juggling multiple regions. A simple label like home or the city name keeps things clear at a glance. If you frequently travel, consider enabling the travel prompt. Turn on the option that says, "When I travel across time zones, ask me if I want to update my time zone." With this enabled, Outlook will nudge you to update your calendar's time zone when it detects you're in a new location, reducing the chance of mismatched event times. If you work with teams across different regions, you can add additional time zones to your calendar view. Select Add Time Zone and pick another region you want to see side by side. This doesn't change your primary time zone, it simply displays an extra column so you can schedule meetings more easily without doing mental conversions. When you've finished choosing your primary time zone and any optional settings, click Save. This is important. Saving applies the changes to your calendar. After saving, your events will display according to the time zone you selected. Existing events are shown in the new zone, so verify any upcoming meetings to ensure the times still work for everyone involved. That's it. You've set your primary time zone, enabled the travel prompt if you want it, and optionally added other zones for better scheduling. Thanks for watching.